Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you where is the place where you can receive free gifts and how you can receive them. So what are gifts on temu, of course? So basically what are gifts? Gifts are a really unique idea that Temu invented where basically you can get free stuff or discounts on really expensive stuff. It's a really good idea by Temu for them to grab more and more users, okay? So first of all, we're going to launch up Temu, and from Temu, actually the easiest way to do it is actually you want to just keep scrolling and navigating on Temu until you just get the until you get those deals or these free gifts. As you can see, if I keep navigating right now, I'm supposedly right now going to get one of them ads that tells you that you can get it as a gift, but it is not showing for me for some reason. I don't know why, but let's say there's actually one more way. Is actually, as you can see, if you go on to free shipping over here, I have one of my things that I was going to order. Is that once you go on to free shipping, you have to go on to the three dots over here, the hamburger menu over here. Oh, not here, my bad. On your profile. When you're on your profile, you're going to navigate down until earn credits and free gifts. This is basically where you can earn credits and free gifts, and you can choose which one of them you want to apply in and start working on them to get the gifts. So yeah, guys, this is basically how you can earn free gifts. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you.